Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope all you are fine and safe. In this today's tutorial, we will discuss about LaTeX and especially we will learn how to add image figure in a LaTeX file first, and secondly we will discuss how we can write different types of equation in LaTeX. So we will learn step by step. First, let's start how we can add in image in the LaTeX file. So you can start with begin figure, and once you write this code, the centering, it will actually put the figure at the center of the page, and then this is actually the main line of the code which will include the figure in the LaTeX file, and this is actually the label. uh, I will tell you how we can use this label, and this is actually the caption. In caption we can write like this is the caption of the figure, so it will show below the figure. And now what is the name of our figure? Actually the figure name is abc.png. So we have set the name of our image file figure, and this is actually the size of the figure. This is the caption, the label, and the centering. We want to put the image at the center. So actually if we execute it, we will see it will add a figure here on a new page. Why? Because here I have a command, a new page. So after this heading, it will move the image to the next page, right? But here we have an error. It only shows the width and the actually the ABC, the name of the figure. So let we see what is the issue, why it doesn't display the image. So okay, we need to add a package for images graphic X. So this is actually the package that we need to add if we want to add figure in a LaTeX file. So now it will display, yeah, this is the figure. If we want to increase the size of the figure from 0.5 to 0.9, you will see the size will be increased. Now this is the figure size we have increased, and this is actually the caption I was talking about. I have added here in this line, and this is actually the label. And we should remember that in a figure we always put caption at the bottom, and if we want to add a table, so table always contain caption at the top of its own on a table. Now if I want to call this image, for example, I have written a sentence here like this figure shows the different types of equations. And now I want to refer this figure, and we can change the direction. For example, this is my figure 1, and I will call here like figure 1. Now I will save and compile this file. You will see here I have actually cited, I have referred the figure. So this is actually the way how you can refer figure in your text. So this is a simple way. Now we will learn how we can code for these equations, right? But before these different complex equation, we will learn the basics. So let's learn. If you want to write an equation, so you need to write start with begin and then equation, and inside equation, for example, I want to write a is equal to a plus b. So I will compile it, and you will see here the first simple equation. Here you can see this is our first equation. Now if I want to put like at the superscript of b, the power is 3, and in the subscript of a, the power is suppose 2. I will execute the file and you will see. Now you can see here A has subscript 2 and B superscript 3 the power of 3. Now I want to write another equation here and I want to put begin equation, and then I want to write like P is equal to X, and at the subscript it has 2 while at the superscript it has 5. So